The reference annotation tool that I'm using is Mendeley, and as you can see when you download Mendeley, it comes with a way for you to insert your citations and insert bibliography directly from the documents that you already have in Mendeley. So here you can see I have 3 documents, 3 PDFs already in Mendeley that I've saved in there and annotated already. And then, so to insert the citations, you're just going to go to Word, go up top to References, the Insert Citation button, and you can search an article. So I'll search my article on Eli Lilly, hit that, hit OK, and there's a citation right there for you. And I will do that for the other two articles that I have. And there are the 3 citations, and once you have the 3 citations, it's as easy as hitting the Insert Bibliography button, and you can delete the citations here, and there you have it. There's your bibliography for the articles that you have in Mendeley.